Julia Kristeva has given three terms: Chora, Semantic and Symbolic. Chora is a pre-linguistic, pre-audible, unconscious, unsystematized process, right, to bring out a meaning, to signify. Signify means giving something a meaning, and this process is unconscious, unsystematized, which is centered on the mother, which she called semantic. And then there is a process to repress it, which is the father control, which is the systematized, systematically organized, logical way to bring out the meanings, which she called the symbolic. So in all, if we understand this whole regulation, rule and your discipline is the man controlled, and the unconscious free way of living, uncontrolled, unsystematized, is the woman controlled, right? So woman controlled is the semantic, father controlled is the symbolic, and the pre-linguistic, the pre-audible, the stage between the 0 to 6 month is called the Chora. I hope you learned something new today. Click on the subscribe button, share with as much as people you can, and for crash course study material, contact us on the above given number. Till then time, happy learning.